Hey everyone, it's Michael and Matt from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you, what are we bringing?
Oh, the best bibs and bobs, gold, silver, platinum even.
You could be a bit more enthusiastic, mate.
Well, you know.
You're casual today, aren't you?
You name it, we've got it.
Would you like to do the honours?
Oh, no, I actually wouldn't. I want to see what's in there, but I don't want to
touch it?
be under the microscope for my cutting abilities. I often say to people, you know, we've got these blunt blades and that's why it looks so dangerous.
Mate, there is nothing more dangerous than a blunt blade.
Exactly, so if anyone has a sharpening stone for box cutters, please reach out.
You're not meant to sharpen box cutters, you're meant to throw them away.
Throw them all away. I think we're due for a restock.
You reckon?
Maybe. Definitely empty?
Definitely empty.
So what's coming up? What do we got?
Well, I think you're right. I think there's some platinum in here.
Yeah.
So this is the platinum that we've all been hanging out for.
Well, to be honest, I didn't even know. I was unaware. And, you know, for the sake of surprise, I don't know what's in this, but I didn't know that this was coming out at all.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh, you do,
But I don't know what it is, so we'll wait and see. If it is what I think it is.
Paperwork. All right. So
This looks like an awful British-looking tube.
it does. You mean it's awfully British, or it's awful? It's
No, it's not awful. It's great. I'm actually this would be my favourite design they've done possibly ever.
Oh, really?
I think it's great.
Wow, that's a big call.
Well, I'm processing the thought as I'm having it. I'm thinking aloud here, but I like any design. For example, the 30th anniversary of the Kookaburra.
Yep.
That does so much for me because being a coin collector, if you can even if it's a matter of perception, if you can perceive that you're getting more on one coin, i.e. two designs on one coin, I just see tremendous value in that for the sake of my collection. And here we are.
We have 12 designs on the one coin.
12?
12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10.
6, 7, 8, 9. You're correct, it's 10.
Yeah, come on, get with it. Didn't you watch the coronation? That was the first ever televised coronation.
It was.
Yeah. Were you watching it?
How old do you think I am?
I don't know.
What was it, 50?
A couple years older than me? 52.
52,
Yeah. I don't know, maybe you were. Maybe you're
20 years before I was born.
I don't know, maybe your parents taped it for you.
Jeez. On their videotape they had back then.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, good stuff.
How do we get so far off topic when you're on camera?
Are you surprised?
No,
What did you think
not even slightly.
What did you think would happen when you said, Matt, pop in for a quick unboxing?
We should never do these in the afternoon, I'm telling you. What is this? Now
It's a completer. It's a completer.
Right.
It's a platinum completer.
It is the
no less.
platinum completer.
In the year, is it dated this year? Or last year? Is it 2021 or 2022 on the coin?
There's no date on the coin.
You're joking. Surely there is. Look on the other side.
Mate, there probably is. And
2022.
It's probably in there.
Yeah, I can see it. So, it's also in the year of the Platinum Jubilee.
It is.
That's as cool as it gets.
It's also opposite the year to the rest of the series. Because everything else is dated 2020 and 2021.
Ah.
Except for the 10 ounce.
Okay. Very cool. I think this is great. I love this design in particular, but in platinum it looks really nice.
Yeah, look, I mean, everyone knows, anyone that's been watching our channel for more than 5 minutes knows that I'm a huge platinum fan. So this floats my boat on a lot of levels. So it's an ounce of platinum.
Yep.
It's slightly dearer than I'd like it to be, but it's for a platinum coin, it's still pretty good value.
Approximately what sort of premium are we looking at?
I think they're about 280 above spot.
Okay.
So, like I said,
it still wouldn't surprise me if it's highly sought after, though, given the subject matter, what it is.
It's absolutely highly sought after.
It's ticking a lot of boxes.
It is. And it's got, for the non-royalists amongst us, it's got the Queen's head on smaller on one side than the other.
Yep.
So, which I actually quite like. I think they've done a great job of shrinking it down.
Yeah.
So is it the same artist for both coin sets?
Yes,
It is?
yes. Jody Clark has done all of them.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Absolutely beautiful coin. Completes your completer set, if you like. So if you bought it in the gold, you bought it in the 2 ounce, wasn't it? You bought it in the 10 ounce and the kilo.
Yeah.
You've got to get it in the platinum.
Yeah. I think so. And just regardless, if you're on the fence about platinum and you're looking at dipping your toe in it, this is a fairly, in my humble opinion, not financial advice, this is the way to do it. With something like this, that regardless of the price movements of the metal, a coin like that, it's never going to be out of fashion with the collector's market. So.
No, that's right. You will always, again, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. I think this is an almost guarantee for a collector premium increase over and above whatever platinum does.
Yeah.
So grab them while you can. We've got approximately 60 of them in stock. I don't know if we'll be able to get any more in, and I think they will sell fairly quickly. So if you're after something slightly unusual, or if you're after platinum, this is not a bad form to get it in.
Quick quiz question for you, Michael.
Uh-oh.
Where do the original sculptures, the Queen's Beast sculptures, which were made, they were actually commissioned for the coronation, where do they reside now?
If I had to guess, I'd say somewhere like Tower of London, but...
That's a good guess, a noble guess. They're in Canada.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. They're just in a museum. I think it's in, I could stand correct, I think it's in Montreal. Yeah, they're just in a museum on display.
There you go. Why Canada, though?
Why not?
Well, maybe it is part of the Commonwealth, but it's not where I would have thought something so important to the coronation would be punted off to.
Hence the fun fact.
Yeah. Why didn't we get them?
I don't know. Maybe we'll ask for a loan.
Yeah.
Display one at BN.
Yeah. We'll give them a ring.
Yeah. All right. You heard it here first.
Sure, we'll be able to get us. Yeah. No worries. All right. Enough hilarity.
Yep.
That's it from me.
And from me. Thank you very much.
See you next time.